Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to use Google Go and how to install. Before we go, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And you can also follow my Facebook page. Let's go to the screen. I will show you step by step. Firstly, you need to go to the Google Store. And type here Google Go and search Google Go, and then you will see here install. Click there. After installation, you have to click here open. Choose a email that you want to use. Click there, and then you have to click here allowed. Okay, I will show you now what you can do. Click first things I will show you. Click on microphone icon, and then you can ask whatever you want, for example, and you have to click here allow. I will ask now, why kids like apple? Okay, then it will answer automatically. Okay, so you don't need to go to the Google Chrome, just click here with one place. You can get answers. You can just ask that you want to know something. Okay, and another one is I will translate the language that I don't understand. Okay, now I will click here on camera icon. Okay, open camera, and you have to allow and then take a picture. Okay, take pictures that you want to understand. Okay, now for example I want to understand this one, and I click here. Okay, and it will work automatically. It will translate to English. Okay, this is the and then I have to click here translate, and then it will come out like that. So that if you go abroad the language that you don't understand, then I think this kind of app is helpful. At least you can get something, to understand what is about. Okay, so for example this receipt is in times, but I don't know at all, so here I just translate and I take photo and it translates automatically. Okay guys, I hope you may enjoy this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.